So, yeah. So, let me introduce ourselves. I am Himalaya. He's Pavan, and we have Rahul. So, we work for VIDA. So, we have split the session into two. First few minutes we'll talk about what VIDA does, and then next we'll continue with the workshop on what is Kubernetes and how you can use Kubernetes to speed up your day-to-day work activities and also improve your software development lifecycle. Okay, so why VIDA, right? Because we are today everybody is very digital, right? You don't carry your printouts of your ID cards. You don't carry your basically anything and everything. You just carry your mobile for everything, right? So everything is digital. How do you want to keep it secure? And say for example, you go to a bank to open an account, right? So every time you have to present your different ID cards, right? So how do you come out of it? You have to come out of it by making your digital presence. So if everything is on your hand, in your mobile, everything is digitized, right? So how to make it happen? And every time you go to any place, you have to do your KYC, you have to verify yourself, you have to prove yourself. I am Himalaya or I am Pavan. Every time, how do you prove? You have to show your physical ID card, right? But today, everything is every presence is on digital front. So that's why VIDA exists, to make your identity very digital, and you can access it very securely through different biometric access, right? You can prove that I am Himalaya just by your face authentication. You can verify using your face, right? So this is what VIDA does. So how VIDA operates? VIDA operates in different domains, right? And what VIDA focuses on? VIDA focuses on like electronic transactions, your consumer protections. Consumers are you people, right? You are going to use different apps, different technologies, right? So how do you protect yourself? Then how do you, so during the transaction or during the data sharing, right? You are sharing your personal data with some unknown company, right? Whom you don't even know about it. So everybody has this like, is my data secure, right? So we also deal with data privacy, right? And naturally, since all of this is happening on the web, right, or on the internet, so you there also comes a security part. That's where the cyber security area, right? Any questions so far? Am I being fast, or should I slow down? Good. Thank you. Okay. So what are the different domains we operate on, right? So the different domains are on identity verification, certificate lifecycle management, digital signatures, verified credential, consent management, biometric, and then multi-factor auth. Now, identity verification is very straightforward, where you present your KTP card and we ensure that you are who you are claiming to be, right? As part of identity verification, now VIDA operates as a certificate authority in Indonesia. We are under COMINFO. So under COMINFO, we are obliged to issue every user of VIDA to issue a digital certificate through which you can digitally sign your document. Has any one of you signed digitally documents? Anytime? So physically, have you signed like using your pen, right? It is exactly very much the same, but what you try to do it using a digital way, where your signature is recorded digitally, and also the time at which you signed is also recorded digitally, and it is very much same as, say for example, you signed an agreement with the company, right? Or some X person, and you agreed upon something that I offer to pay you some money, or I offer to give you a job, and they don't fulfill. So naturally what happens, you'll go to the court and say, see, this is the agreement we signed, and now he or she is not accepting it, right? So the digital signatures are equally accepted in court of law, so they are also legally binding. So that's why without doing verification, we cannot issue you a digital certificate, right? So both are linked with each other. So yeah, this is our presence. We operate in our digital signatures that we do are recognized worldwide in different countries.